Refugees from Syria are fleeing a brutal assault by the Russian-backed Assad regime and taking the journey through Turkey and the world's deadliest sea crossing to reach Europe. During World War II, the journey was the same, but people were going in another direction. 40,000 Europeans, mostly from Greece, were fleeing Nazi and Soviet occupation, and they were going to camps in Syria, Egypt and Palestine. This is how an Arabic newspaper covered their arrival in 1942. It read, "Meal and clothes distributed to refugees coming from Greece to Syria," with a front-page photograph showing Syrian women distributing clothes to Greek children.
Ήμουνα 7 χρονών όταν μας κάψανε το σπίτι και δεν είχαμε ούτε κουτάλι, ούτε πυρούνι, ούτε ψωμί, ούτε ρούχα. Ήμαστανε με το ποκαμισάκι, τις νυχτικές που φορούσαμε.
According to a report on the process of refugee settlement, conditions in these camps were squalid, but there were playgrounds, vocational training and education for children. European refugees stayed at the camps until the war was over. Then they either returned to their country or went to a third country of their preference.